There's one thing that is synonymous in the smartphone space is OnePlus and special edition devices, and right here with me is a new one. This is the OnePlus 11 Marble Odyssey Edition. Let's check out what's so special about it. Hello everyone, I'm here for Fiiber, and in this video I'll be checking out this smartphone. Looks quite exquisite. The packaging, of course, I haven't seen the phone yet, but before we get on with the rest of the episode, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. With that said, let's get started. So this is the box of the OnePlus 11 Marble Odyssey Edition. I'll be talking about it. I'll be showing you the phone in the flesh, but let's first touch down on the history of OnePlus Special Edition phones. So the journey starts with the OnePlus 60, I believe the OnePlus 60 McLaren Edition. Now McLaren cars are associated with speed, fast performance. So the OnePlus 60 McLaren Edition came, looked quite exquisite, had papaya orange accents around the phone. And the special feature of the phone was that it could charge like 50% battery in about 20 minutes. Now, in today's standards, of course, a phone can charge in 20 minutes, like full charge. But in that time, like 50% in 20 minutes was quite a lot. So the 60 McLaren Edition came, and then a year later, the design evolved, and now you got the OnePlus 70 Pro McLaren Edition. So by that time, OnePlus had like two divisions of its smartphone. There was a regular variant, there was a Pro variant. So the 70 Pro McLaren Edition with an evolved design came out, and that was also quite a stunner. In fact, I love the design of the 70 Pro more than the 60 McLaren Edition. So of course there was that. And next, once again, McLaren partnered with OnePlus for the Concept One. So this phone was the first phone from the house of OnePlus that you could not buy. So this one was showcased, and again, the special feature of the OnePlus Concept One was the hidden cameras at the back. OnePlus said that this was a phone of the future. So there was the Concept One, and then I believe we got the OnePlus 80 in the Cyberpunk 2077 editions. Of course, the game was a blunder in itself, but the phone, carbon finish at the back, glossy panels, and the green accents around, that one looked quite cool. And yes, so these were some of the special editions phones from the house of OnePlus, and now we are here. This is the OnePlus 11 Marble Odyssey Edition. What has the company done with it? Let's check out. So this is the box packaging of the OnePlus 11 Marble Odyssey. Looks quite nice. The cream finish is pretty good actually. Feels premium. Let's see what's there inside. So it opens up like this. Wow. Here's the box. So OnePlus 11 Marble Odyssey, as unique as you. Let's unbox. Okay, let's keep this aside. And we have a sleeve up first. It says, let's shape the future together. There's a special SIM ejector tool. Wow. There's this marble finish on top, never settled branding at the back. Let's put it here. Let's check what's inside. Oh, I was expecting a special edition case, but you get the usual silicone case here. So nothing fancy. Some stickers, I guess, to protect the phone's sides. Some paperwork. Wow, special edition stickers. Okay, so we are getting something at least. Okay, so normal usual paperwork. And then there's this letter. Okay, how do we open this? I don't want to tear this off. Okay, it's a letter from Pete Lau. Okay, we're not going to waste time on this. Here's the main event. This is the OnePlus 11 Marble Odyssey Edition. Looks quite magnificent, feels soft in the hands. Looks quite exquisite. Okay, we'll see. We'll check this out in a bit. Let's see what's there inside. So you get your usual power brick, charging brick, sorry, and your usual cable, Type A to Type C cable. So yeah, that's about it for the unboxing of the OnePlus 11 Marble Odyssey Edition. Let's talk about the design now. So in my hands is this OnePlus 11 Marble Odyssey Edition. I think it looks quite magnificent. And OnePlus says that this material at the rear, this is a microcrystalline rock material. So there's a texture of rock, a rock that has crystals, and which are only visible, by the way, under the microscope. And this resembles marble, by the way. And OnePlus also says that this material has been produced by a special treatment, chemical treatment processing, and this is also first in the smartphone industry. Of course, ultra smooth and cool to the touch, has the feeling of this polished piece of marble, looks quite premium. Now OnePlus also says that it took them an year to come up with this finish, and the phone went through 9 different processes in the production stage. Now I don't know what these processes were, but the final result is right here. It looks, as I said, quite magnificent. So basically some officials touched and felt the material, and then they decided whether this will go as the final output or not. But yes guys, that was everything about the design of the Marble Odyssey Edition of the OnePlus 11. So of course, again, quite cool. And you can also see metal accents around, gold metal accents, but apart from the design, the phone is exactly the same. So you get the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, same RAM, same storage, same software. In fact, I was expecting to see a different theme, different icons, but even the theme, the colors remain exactly the same. Of course, you can download special edition themes of the Marble Odyssey from the OnePlus theme store, but of course you'll have to connect to the internet and do that. That's an altogether extra step. But preloaded, you only get some wallpapers of the Marble Odyssey. That is also right here on the home screen. But again, apart from that, the phone is exactly the same as your usual OnePlus 11. Now, I also clicked a bunch of photos from this phone that you can check out on your screens right now. So those were some of the photos taken from the OnePlus 11 Marble Odyssey Edition. Of course, the cameras are the same from the regular variant of the OnePlus 11. Fantastic cameras. But let's now talk about the price of this device. So this one has been launched at 64,999 rupees for the 16GB RAM variant, which is 3,000 rupees more than the usual 16GB RAM variant that you get of the OnePlus 11. So should you buy the OnePlus 11 Marble Odyssey Edition? Of course, if you're a fan of special edition phones, if you want to purchase a device that's a little hutcake from your usual devices that you get, definitely you can consider this one. And I also think that this one will be, like, if you drop it, I don't think so that this will be breaking easily, because glass breaks easily, but I believe this material, I think so it should be able to withstand drops and breakage. But remember that if you are getting the smartphone, you are only getting this for the design and design alone, because apart from the design, it's the usual, it's your normal OnePlus 11 on the inside, the same hardware, the same software. So get this phone if you want to collect a special edition phone, you want to have a special edition phone in your collection. So that's what it is about the OnePlus 11 Marble Odyssey Edition. What are your thoughts about this phone? Let me know in the comments. And as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiiber. I'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.